Hey everybody, welcome to Options with Hans. I am Hans Albrecht, your friendly neighborhood options trader. 15 years as a pro options market maker, and then another decade after that, option income fund manager, managing about $1 billion in option strategies, $750 million in options cash flow generated for investors, clients, members around the world. So welcome. Of course, today everything is for education and entertainment purposes only. If you are okay with that, let's continue. If not, we'll see you next time. But for now, let's just have a quick one. We're going to want to talk about Tesla. I mean, we had earnings today. We had a huge drop, well, fairly big drop in the stock, at least 5% or roughly 5%, and then a bounce, and now it's up on the day. And I just think that people just aren't quite getting this particular story. This isn't really about cars anymore. You've got to understand, in this AI phase that the world is moving into, other things are going to be much, much more important. And one of them is power generation, power storage, and a company like this can do these things at massive, massive scale. 1 billion in profit from their energy business in a single quarter. Can you see what's happening? My last video, I talked about this. I talked about these storage solutions, these Megapacks. The Megapacks alone are growing triple digits year over year. Deployments in California, Texas, Australia. You got to understand, Elon is all over the place, but especially in the places that matter. That is his incredible, incredible skill. And that energy and storage segment is massive. Megapacks, Powerwalls, solar. Think of solar is going to have to be a thing. We need energy. And what do? You need to store it in order to keep it online when you need it. So, and the thing is about the Megapack business, unlike cars, it's actually quite low maintenance. It's sort of high margin, low maintenance. You get these big, big contracts, very different kind of business, and actually very, very positive. And certainly plays into utilities and data centers and things like that. And this is sort of money that needs to be spent in order to build out this incredible infrastructure we're seeing. So really kind of night and day between the economics of these businesses. He's not going anywhere with his car business. And that's actually probably starting to improve over time. We're starting to see delinquencies come down. We're starting to see a bit of support there, a little bit better overseas business activity, but massive energy storage. And then forget about, we haven't even talked about the Optimus, the robotics, the humanoids, and all that kind of thing. But think of Tesla as really sort of this sort of EV company that's really very much kind of almost hidden right in front of our eyes as this energy infrastructure platform. This is proof of it. This is going to be a very special period for Tesla, and that's why they're bidding it up. It is not a low PE, but what they are expecting is big, big things to come. They're already happening. They've sold millions of these power solutions, so it's happening and it's going to scale. And I think that's very exciting about this. So everybody have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you next time.